Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. This is the last day for me in Panglao Island in Bohol. Today, day 8. Now 4:30 p.m. in the evening. Me and Aram going to the bee farm, have some ice cream, and we are going to see the sunset somewhere else in Panglao Island. This place is exactly 3.5 kilometers from the Chocolate Hills Resort. It took 6 minutes bike ride. The last 1 kilometer you have to go away from the main road. My friend Aram suggested this place. He told me in this place they're having a homemade ice cream. We are going to try the homemade ice cream over there. I have no idea about this place. Looks like we arrived at the place. The place is so big. We don't know which way to go right now. We need to ask direction. This place is huge. Look at that. Yeah. This bee farm have so many offerings. So many varieties of ice cream made out of coconut milk and gluten free. That's the main thing. So you can check it out. Okay, I'll see the real life. That's it. One scoop 80 peso, which is reasonable. For me, safer choice, I go for a mango. Avocado.
Let's try it.
Okay. This one. So this is how they look avocado.
Look at that.
Okay.
Amazing.
Okay, that's good. He's going to enjoy it. This is mango. How it look like?
What do you think?
Seriously, it's nice.
Yes.
It's good actually. It's very good. It's very creamy actually. I didn't expect this taste, but it's fantastic. We go and see the art gallery first. We can take this one inside? No, no right?
Yes, yes, I think it's okay.
Everything in the art gallery made out of recycled material. We are going to explore the view deck, which is located below the restaurant. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. There's a restaurant. There's a way to go down. I didn't expect that. Super cool. I think I'm going to take some drone shot. Let's see how it goes. It's a beautiful place. I highly recommend it to come down and visit, spend your time over here. Wow, that's fantastic actually. This is the best place for dinner. Looks very beautiful. Look at the ambience. You can see the sea view deck. It's already fully packed over here. Look how beautiful it is. That's the menu of the day. Okay, that's the place. Okay, let's go. So we are going straight like this. This is look like a garden view, and sometimes look like a jungle, but it's very well maintained. Look at the offering over here. So much offering. Wow. Look at that. So this is looks like a small entrance. Beautiful.
Talk to me.
And this one. I'm looking at the place, man. This is the exact map.
From the left.
Yeah. This is the exact map. So many places over here. Have a look, man. Rags, everything made out of here. Wow. Beautiful. The bus stop. See the names. The product they sell. What is this? Look at that. With a recycled one. Everything recycled product. Beautiful. Wow, that's fantastic.
You can purchase this one. This may be used to pay for the fare and also airport tickets. Actually, it may also be used as a form of payment to our website.
You have a bank over here, PNB, but not available. This is the reception. So many things over here. You can check it out.
Kapaw ni mo sugad to te. Mark.
So what time you guys open? What time close?
7 a.m. We open at 7 p.m.
8:30. So the last hour is 8:30. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. Okay. Beautiful place, man. I'm glad I came over there the last day. Thank you for suggesting this place, man. Thanks, man. See, a lot of people coming. That is my honest opinion. I thought who will come over here, but when I go inside and see, so many people are there. It's good. Wow. You can come by a motorbike or car because there is no way you can walk over here. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you. When I came here, I didn't know anything about this place, but this place is full of surprise. So many good things over here. There's a view deck, there's a restaurant, there's an ice cream place there. The ice cream tastes good. Everyone come and try this. Especially you come in the evening, you can enjoy the view deck, you can relax your time with your loved ones. At the same time, the restaurant is fully packed. We didn't eat any food, but still, I highly recommend this place for the dinner. Right now, the time is 5:20. We are going for sunset. I don't know if we are going to make it, but we are going to try.